It's short and it's straight. I got a perm and I cut my hair. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori. So today is not my first video of the year. Actually, my first video of the year was my previous uploaded video. It was a wash and go using the Brazilian keratin therapy shampoo conditioner to style my hair. I just wanted to try something different. It's old footage. I just uploaded it between my poor time management skills and procrastination. That's the video y'all got for the first of the year, but it's okay because here I am. Basically, I thought this would be one of the best, well, the best video to kind of start the year off, you know. Today is actually the 9th of January. That's when I'm gonna upload this video as well. So it's the 9th of January. I'm kind of late doing this, but it's okay. Basically, I'm just gonna give y'all kind of an update. Like, I got a few things I could update y'all on. First things first, as you can see, I had my hair straight and it's short. It's short and it's straight. I got a perm and I cut my hair. Yeah, I got tired of my curly hair and yeah, I permed it and I cut it. No, I'm just playing. I straightened it for Christmas. My hair, this upcoming Sunday is actually the 4th week. Like, my hair is 4 weeks old. It's about to be 4 weeks. It's like 3.5 weeks right now. But yeah, I straightened my hair and I trimmed all of my bad ends off. And you can't like see me, but my hair used to go way past my boobs, and now it's just up here again. Kind of sad, but yeah, I cut my hair. I'm going to be posting a picture on my Instagram, so if you watch this and you don't follow me on Instagram, I'll put my Instagram name right here. Just follow me on Instagram and check out the picture. It's going to be a before and after of before cut my hair and after. But yes, so no perm. I did straighten my hair though. I did not record me straightening my hair. So what I plan on doing is upload like a tips video, how to get super straight hair, what you can do to get straight hair, the iron I use, the blow dryer I use, all that will be coming very soon. Probably gonna be recording it tomorrow. But yeah, so I straightened my hair. That's the first update. I will be washing my hair like this weekend though, because you can't tell, but my scalp is so dry, my hair is so flaky. So yeah, my hair is straight for right now. Y'all will be seeing my curly hair again, don't worry. Okay, so second update. I don't know if y'all noticed, but I only got to day 5 of Vlogmas, and even day 5 was like uploaded a little late. So I didn't do Vlogmas. I was in school. Obviously I'm still in school, but it was before Christmas break. Clearly, in order to do Vlogmas in the way it should have been done, I should have pre-recorded. I was literally dang near recording everything the day it was supposed to be uploaded, and December was hectic for real. Okay, so before finals, I don't know if y'all know this, like 2 weeks before finals, all your teachers like to give you these big tests, and then a week before finals, I had a project to present, like a whole 30 slide presentation. My major is nursing. I had all of this stuff to do, and then I had finals, and then I was depressed a little bit, not like a whole depression, but you know, just a little sad. And then because you know, yeah, if you already kind of down, you don't want like, you know, extra people around. So anyways, ain't got nothing to do with that. I just didn't do Vlogmas. I feel kind of bad. I'm like, and then the thing is, unless I do pre-record, I definitely can't do Vlogmas this year, because this next semester, fall 2020, I will be in nursing school. So I don't know if I can devote enough time for Vlogmas. So that's kind of unfortunate, but I wasn't able to do Vlogmas, and it's like sad because I was so prepared. I made the intro and everything for it, but I didn't realize how hard it would be. But I do want to say, like, kudos, congratulations to all of the smaller YouTubers and big YouTubers who was able to do Vlogmas and did the whole 25 days. I know it was a few people who went and did it the whole month. Y'all are awesome for that. That's awesome, especially if you did a vlog every single day. That was awesome. So kudos to y'all. I'm proud of y'all, for real. Like, I support y'all. I'm proud of y'all. So if you see this and you're a YouTuber and you did Vlogmas, I'm like so proud of you, because I don't know how you did it. So another update is, as you can see, I've been beating my face lately. I ordered like 39 new brushes. 39, not 40. I know that's kind of odd, but 39 new brushes. I have makeup palettes. I have a Juvia's Place palette thanks to my cousin. I have a BH Cosmetics palette thanks to that same cousin. I have palettes, I have brushes, so y'all will be getting more makeup content. I did post a Chit Chat Get Ready With Me for Vlogmas. It was Chit Chat Get Ready With Me for my birthday. So if you didn't see that, I think it's this corner. I'm not for sure. I think it's this corner. I don't know. It would be in one of them corners up there. I really don't know. But I'll link it up above and down below if you just wanted to see. You know, it wasn't a look like this. Oh, I almost fell out this year. But this is the look. It's brown with like some shimmer. You know, it's very cute. Got on my little blush, my highlight, my Juvia's Place highlight. I have like a lot of makeup like all over my bed. So yeah. Speaking of my birthday just passed. I didn't like harp on it too much on Instagram or on here at all. I turned 22 December 5th. I don't know if y'all know, but if you didn't know, you know, you can wish me a happy belated birthday under in the comments, you know. So I know you got this far into the video. But yeah. Any more updates that y'all should know about? My upload schedule also. I was doing this really good, like October and November. No, September and October last year. And kind of November. My upload schedule is Tuesday, Thursday, and every other Saturday. So I uploaded the other day, 2 days ago, which was Tuesday. I'm uploading today, which is Thursday, and then every other Saturday. So I will be uploading this Saturday as well, and next week Tuesday, Thursday, but I won't be uploading that Saturday because it's every other Saturday. I hope that's like, you know, you get it. It's understandable. Tuesday, Thursday, and every other Saturday. I'm like super excited. I'm trying to like make Saturday's videos a little different. Like I may do a Let's Be Real one Saturday. This upcoming Saturday, I won't be doing a Let's Be Real. It's going to be another New Year's themed video because, you know, it's the beginning of the year. I want to, you know, get out those videos, and it should be the New Year's tag. So I do that every year. That's kind of a tradition of mine. Usually I post it before whatever day it's gonna be when I post it, but yeah, I will be posting a New Year's tag. Well, my voice is so shaky. I will be posting a New Year's tag. I look so pretty. I really can. Like, I look so pretty. Also, you see I cut my hair? You see these products right here? Let me tell y'all something. And I'm expecting another package. I am a brand ambassador for this company, GROVEDA Hair Solutions. This is my favorite mask. This is the mask I used before I even straightened my hair. Loved it. But I plan on doing a hair growth challenge. I'm gonna make a whole video about it. But during that whole challenge, all I'm gonna do is style with GROVEDA, wash my hair with GROVEDA, do all of that for like a month and a half, because it's called GROVEDA. It's like designed for your hair to grow. So I have a discount code and everything. My discount code, all of their information from it's Tuesday video on forward. My information will always be in the description box for GROVEDA, whether the video is GROVEDA related or not. I have a growth challenge coming. You don't have to use GROVEDA. You can use whatever you want, but I'm gonna use GROVEDA, and yeah, so I just wanted to let y'all know that I will also be doing a growth challenge featuring GROVEDA. They didn't ask me to do this. This is something I want to do, especially because I cut my hair. Like, it's so short. I wonder how my curly hair is going to look once I wash my hair. And then I know it's like I feel kind of weird about doing a hair challenge just using these products right here, just those pink ones, and some more I'm expecting, and I gotta like let all of these products over here sit, you know. But it's okay because I'm doing this for a reason. I want to test out their products. I want to give them good promo and all that. So yep, growth challenge featuring GROVEDA coming very soon from yours truly. And I don't know what else to tell y'all other than why I couldn't do Vlogmas. I'm doing my makeup now. I did straighten my hair, but I'm going to have a tips video coming. I don't know. I just really want to just come because this is like the first video I'm recording for the year. And like, I just wanted to come and say, hey, like, I'm super excited for this year. I'm not going to go into all my goals. I'm actually going to have like a goals video, but I'm not going to go into my goals this year because I do that every year. So I ain't doing that this year. But let's just say I have goals too, you know. Y'all might hear about them, y'all may not, I don't know. But I don't really know what else to say. I just really just wanted to come and say, hey, update y'all, talk, let y'all see my big face. I literally just finished. All I need now is setting spray. That's it. And eyeliner. I need eyeliner. I think I need a liquid eyeliner though, because I can't really work with a pencil. I think I need a liquid one, but my eyebrows are beat. I will have a video up of how I shape my own eyebrows with Nair. Yes, Nair. A lot of the videos, not a lot, but videos here and there that you're going to be getting is definitely pre-recorded. Like the one was that I posted on Tuesday. It was definitely pre-recorded. That was pre-recorded back in September, October, like for real, for real. But the other videos I'm gonna upload, it's not that late. It's videos that I recorded for Vlogmas that I never posted. So y'all will be getting definitely a Let's Be Real very soon. A couple months ago, I can't remember if it was October or November, I was sent hair from this company, but they have like changed their company and they're like a sister company of another company now. They don't even got my videos on their Instagram no more, so I'm probably not even gonna mention the brand because I don't know like if they even sell this hair anymore. But I was sent hair from a brand. I got paid for it, my first paid situation, but it was for Instagram. I created 3 looks, 2 different videos, Instagram videos. So I want to post those in February to give y'all, you know, what is it called? Valentine's Day, you know, hairstyle inspiration. So my voice is so shaky. But yeah, I'm gonna post that in February. You know, I'm just telling y'all what I got planned. I don't even know. It's just an update. I don't even know the point of this video. But I think I'm gonna just stop here because I can't ramble. Is it called ramble? Ramble? I don't know what it's called, but I can talk a lot. Especially, you know, so I'm talking to myself, but like, it's like, I don't know. It's kind of therapeutic. I don't know. But I could really do this like forever, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and end the video now. I really hope that you like this video. I really hope that you like me. I hope that you like my makeup. Comment down below if you want. I cannot do a tutorial. I don't know how to like format it. Like, I don't know how to do it. How do I film a tutorial like for makeup? You know what I mean? So, but I do plan on uploading like quick paste videos. It's not necessarily a tutorial. If y'all want to, comment down below and let me know. Also, check my Instagram. I don't know if I said this already. Check my Instagram. I'll put it right here again because I do post my looks on there. I post like, you know, time lapse, the videos you can film with iPhones. I post those on my Instagram, just of me doing my makeup. And I post pictures, like even if I don't do a time lapse, I post pictures. So if you're interested in seeing, you know, any of my looks, because I do a pretty good job, like honestly, I really do. So if you're interested in that, just check my Instagram. Again, my name right here, and all my socials, like the links and everything is down below always. So yeah, do that. But let me end this video for real. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really did hope you enjoyed it. So yeah, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below anything you want to, what videos you want to see this year, anything you want to see, comment that down below. Share this video with a friend. Share my channel with a friend. Just share with a friend, your cousin, you know, anybody that you want to share me with. Share. And subscribe to my channel. I'm currently at 175 subscribers. I'm very happy. Thank you for the 175 people that subscribe to me. I appreciate you completely, but I want to go up. The small goal right now is 180. I just want to hit, you know what, my small goal is 185. I want to hit 185, but my goal right now is 200. So that's the goal. So subscribe to my channel so I can get 200 subscribers. Help me out, you know. I feel like I'm deserving of 200 subscribers, so help me out. And I'm going to see y'all in my next video, y'all. Bye.